Good afternoon, Your Excellencies. My name is Sebe for AIT News. You are welcome to Delta State. Okay, Your Excellency, my question is on the state of PDP in Nigeria. That the life of the party PDP, to a greater extent, lies in the hands of the governors. A case in hand is like when one of you have problem, you don't come with a full voice to protect your own. Don't you think this, to a larger extent, has brought, made it impossible for peace to return in Delta State, in PDP? Secondly, Your Excellency.
Questions?
Your Excellencies, I am Vivian, on in the PDP. You have been in Delta since yesterday, or maybe more days before yesterday. Can you just say if you
Brand that Nigerians trust, and we have been around since 1998. We thank the efforts and contribution of our founding fathers. And you can see the brand, the color, the logo is still what it is. And our own structure is as it has always been. The organs of the party are working. We are in the opposition. Out of the opposition parties, I think we are doing very well. There is no party that doesn't have problems. Even the party in power, the APC, you have never seen them coming out like this to have this kind of meeting of togetherness. They have never had NEC. They don't even have BOT. Maybe because you are used to a good party like the PDP. Yes, we have problems and challenges. We are here with the National Working Committee, and we discuss extensively all our problems and challenges, some of them bordering on litigation. We have always come behind our own. Our governors are there, they can testify to it. But certainly we don't want to be prejudicial on issues because we believe in the rule of law. We are firm and we will work together. The issue of National Secretary and other issues, we have stood firm. We know that there is a subsisting court judgment of the of the Court of Appeal. And of course, we are working to make sure that it is resolved within 1 week so that at the end of the day, we will not have room to create loophole for our opposition to deal with us in terms of relationship with other institutions like INEC and the judiciary. So we are really behind each other, and we will continue with this tradition of going around, knowing the nation. Since we are a unity party, we are a national party. With regard to this state, I think we don't have to overplug the issue. Yesterday I said it at the banquet held for us. This is a cradle of civilization. This is a place where it is all PDP, especially the South-South. We are grateful that we are still where we are as a party. And you can see all the governors working assiduously to make sure that they provide good governance. That of Delta has stood out as a governor who is continuing from where his predecessor has left off. Even those like Zamfara that came behind governors that were not in PDP, you need to go there and see the change. All of us here, we don't want to praise ourselves. We are doing what we are doing to ensure that we provide the difference in terms of the provision of good governance so that people will enjoy the quality of life. But certainly that of Delta, the quality of infrastructure, the cost, and the delivery is one that I would say has stood out, and we commend him for what he is doing because he's showing Nigerians that PDP is the brand to follow, because at this age, what people want are services and infrastructure. What people need is security. Delta has security issues, but with the coming of the sheriff, maybe because he's a sheriff, everything has evaporated and disappeared. We thank you most sincerely.